Hello, and welcome to this month's Tween LibCrate video. Today we're going to be talking about the LibCrate for April, which was themed fairy tales. I'll go through the box, show you what was inside in a quick unboxing, and then we'll go through the discussion questions which were included on the sheet of paper inside your LibCrate. Here is an unboxing video of what was inside the LibCrate this month. I'm going to show you what's in the Tween LibCrate box for April. Our theme this month is fairy tales. So first, you should have the sheet that comes in every LibCrate box with the information on the front and the discussion questions and craft instructions on the back. You'll have your snack, which is a very colorful Mega Berries cereal pouch. You'll have your supplies for the craft, which this month is watercolor painting to make book pages come to life. So you should have your paints, your pages, and a paintbrush. And you can again see these instructions on the back here. So basically you can make whatever you want from your book pages and paints on your pages to really bring them to life, which goes along with the theme of our book for the month. So our book for the month is The Land of Stories, The Wishing Spell by Chris Colfer, and the prize for this month is a second book, which is the companion to the Land of Stories series. This is the Ultimate Book Hugger's Guide, also by Chris Colfer. So you have your prize, which is a second book, and the book of the month that will go well together. Then again, you have your craft, which is the paints, paintbrush, and some book pages that you can paint on. You have your snack, and don't forget your discussion questions and information sheet. And that's everything in April's Tween LibCrate box. I hope that you enjoyed all of the goodies in the box this month. Now we'll go through some of the discussion questions. So the first question is, what is Alex and Connor's first impression of their book? What makes them change their mind? So thank you to those of you who responded. You all said that their first impression was it gives them good memories of reading with their dad and grandmother. And what makes them change their mind is they can enter the land of stories and they still love the book. So absolutely, I know that I have special memories of reading books with my family members or friends and swapping stories back and forth. And getting to go into those stories would have just been so cool. Even now, I'd love to go into some of my favorite books, so I hope you all feel the same way. That's what definitely initially drew me to this story, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. So the next question, how are the fairy tale characters in this book similar and different from the characters in classic fairy tales? So there were definitely a lot of different fairy tale creatures. We had fairy tale characters. We had the fairy godmother for one, Little Red Riding Hood, Jack and Beanstalk. So you all said they differed because Goldilocks is on the run and Red Riding Hood is selfish, Jack is in love with Goldilocks, and Groggy is Prince Charming's brother. So you're absolutely right. All of them had a little bit of a twist from what you might have expected from reading the classic fairy tales if you've read them before, or seen other adaptations of them. These fairy tales get told in a lot of different ways, but are all still special. So the next question, if you had a wish, what would you choose? You all responded you didn't know what you would wish for if you had a wish. Some days I think that I would wish for the ability to maybe remember what I read better. I reread a lot because I enjoy going to those worlds, so maybe a cool wish would be like getting to replay the book in my head like it was a movie, or more time to read books. If I could just stop time and have some more time to read books, that also might be my wish. So our next question is, how does the fairy tale world help Alex and Connor connect to their family? So you all said that they found out that their dad is from the fairy tale world and the grandmother is Cinderella's godmother. So yeah, isn't that crazy that their grandmother was the fairy godmother and that their dad was actually from a fairy tale? Pretty interesting. I don't know how I would feel if some of my family members ended up being from a fairy tale. So definitely a big twist in the book that I didn't see coming. And then we always ask, what character did you like the most and what did you like best about this book? So you all said that you liked Alex the best, and what you liked best was that it was fantasy and full of fairy tale retellings. So thank you so much for submitting your answers. I'm so glad you all enjoyed the book, those of you who sent me back your responses. We will be taking a break in May from Tween LibCrates because we are gearing up for the summer reading program when we'll have lots of programs, and we will be restarting the LibCrates in June. So we will have one in June and one in July that will be according to the summer theme, which is tales and tales, like animal tales and story tales. So we will have some animal themed books. Our one in June is going to be more like pet related, told from the perspective of a parrot, and our one in July is going to be more wild animals, told from the perspective of some creatures in the rainforest. So I will see you all again for Tween LibCrates in the summer. You can pick those up in June and July, just like we've been doing through the fall and spring. We'll just take a quick break in May. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm glad you enjoyed the book. I'll see you all next time. Happy reading! Bye!